If you need to rekey an SSL certificate in GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Rekeying is useful when you have a new private key, you've moved your certificate, or you need to refresh the SSL setup for your hosting account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in GoDaddy and how to trigger the SSL rekey process correctly. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website tutorials. Alright, let's start with the first step. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy, then sign into the account that manages your hosting and SSL certificate. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, because if the certificate belongs to a different domain or customer profile, you won't see the right products or settings. Once you're signed in, head to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting plans, and add-on services in one place. Under the web hosting section, find a hosting plan connected to the website that uses the SSL certificate. When you see it, click Manage. This takes you into the control area for that hosting account. Now, you'll want to open cPanel Admin. Depending on your plan and layout, this may appear as a button or a link inside the hosting dashboard. Click it to launch the cPanel interface because that's where the SSL tools are located. If you've never used cPanel before, don't worry, we're only going to the SSL section. Inside cPanel, look for the Security section. Under Security, click SSL/TLS Status. This page shows the SSL status for the domains and subdomains connected to your hosting account. It's the main place where you can check whether certificates are installed and whether any domains need attention. On the SSL/TLS status page, look for the option called Autorun SSL. Click that option to start the rekey or refresh process. In many cases, this is the action that tells GoDaddy to automatically run the SSL setup again and generate the correct certificate installation using the current account and domain details. After you click Autorun SSL, give it a few moments to complete. The system may take some time to update the certificate status across your hosting environment. If the certificate was previously issued and everything is connected properly, this should help rekey or reapply the SSL setup without requiring you to manually install everything from scratch. While the process runs, it's a good idea to double check that the domain you're working on is the correct one and that your hosting plan is active. If something doesn't seem right, such as the SSL not updating or the domain not showing, you may need to verify your DNS settings, hosting assignment, or certificate order in your GoDaddy account. And that's really all there is to it. Go to GoDaddy, open My Products, manage your web hosting, launch cPanel Admin, go to Security, open SSL/TLS Status, and click Autorun SSL. That's the basic workflow for rekeying an SSL certificate in GoDaddy. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot, and it makes sure you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.